In today's video, I'll show you how to check if Bitlocker is enabled on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. So for this, just open up your search and search for Control Panel. Then just click on Open. Then just increase the size and go to View By and set it to large icon. Then at the top, you'll find an option called Bitlocker Driver Encryption. Just go inside it. And after you do that, it's going to show you your operating system drive. As you can see, it says BitLocker waiting for activation. And it shows a exclamation sign with a yellow triangle over here, which means BitLocker isn't turned on my operating system drive. I got a button to turn on BitLocker. I'm not going to click that now. And under that, I got some fixed data drives. As you can see, D, E, F. However drives you have, it will be shown here. As you can see, none of them has BitLocker turned on. All of them says BitLocker turned off. And I can click on it and click on turn on BitLocker to turn on BitLocker. But as you can see, every single one has BitLocker turned off. And that's basically it. And that is how to check if your Windows 11 laptop or PC has BitLocker enabled or not. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.